Hello guys, this is Keeper Hunter, and this will be my very first episode. So uh, I'll start my very first episode with a multiplayer series. This is this multiplayer series is called Fractions. So yeah, and my faction is the fourth biggest faction in the server, and the server is called Future Realms. So basically, this is our frac home. This is our new one though, and I'm going to make all the walls like this because I'm a builder, yeah, and so yeah, you can see here. Okay, so I'll show you. Okay, so we'll start the building. The first episode, we'll start the building. Let's see, guys. Okay, so we'll start from this side here. Okay, so here we start off by putting oak like this, 3 blocks, 1, 2, 3. Okay, then place this. This. So the design will be like this. See, you can see. So 1, 2 here, 2 here, and then now we'll add the back like this. And I'll just show you this part, and the others I will be right back, like in just a second, and you will see the finished product. And I'm about to be finished, but not really finished though, just cause. Okay, so okay, well guys, recording. So we start, so like that, as you can see. Then put this, then pair up some blocks. Okay, press stall, and then use nether bricks to do this. Sorry guys. What? No. Just leave. Yes, yes. Sorry guys about that. Okay, so do this, and do this. So it's like basically like this, and then place this. Done, you're done. Okay guys, as you can see, it's exactly like this. See? As you can see here. So yeah. So be right back guys. Welcome welcome back guys. Ready to see it? Boom. See? This is how I'm decorated it. Pre-filled copy. Nice look here. As you can see the difference, before there's just some small parts there, and now boom, shakalaka. Haha. Okay, so yeah, as you can see. In this episode, I'm going to include one PvP fight. Yes. As you can see here, see? So now let's go to this one for review. This is our fraction. And you get kits. See? Kits. You will get the only the resources shelter when you enter. But to get the others like member, fighter, etc., you have to donate, and that gives you money, and you can buy tracks. Shop. So let's see the IP, guys. So this is the IP. Future Realms. This you see, you can see. Okay, so see you in a sec. Guys, so welcome back, and now I'll show you some PvP. So let's go. I'm using the starter prop 4. So yeah. So let's PvP. Damn it, I see no one. Damn it, that guy. That freaking guy just in the world because he's so noobs. Found him. Okay. No, no lag. No. Damn, 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 damn. So, as you can see, he's good. Oh, PV purse. PV purse. Perk ally. Ally. Holy PV purse. Okay, guys. So, this basically this will be it for this episode. So yeah, thank you for watching, and please click that like button and of course subscribe. Thank you.